sometimes you want a sandwich, but there's always this little bit of guilt, at least in my head, oh, so much bread. So sometimes I make little wraps, taking a cue from classic Asian cuisine, and I do it in lettuce. So I'm just making my dressing, a Greek yogurt, a little extra virgin Greek olive oil, a little fresh lemon, and a touch of mustard, and some salt. This wrap has all sorts of greens and vegetables that go into a typical salad. So I've also got some nice tomatoes here. These are the dark tomatoes. They have a nice acidic flavor, slightly more acidic. A little bit of fresh oregano. You can also add some of this to the yogurt. So we'll get our vegetables in here. This is purple cabbage, regular cabbage, and some shredded carrots. A little bit of baby arugula. And you just want to get that all mixed together. Some of the tomatoes. And we want to get a little olive oil in here to soften it up. And a pinch of salt. And I like to add some crunch. So you can add almost any nut you like. And I have toasted blanched almonds. And just get that all mixed together. This is super, super easy, but it's a lot of fun and it's fun to eat. The best lettuce for this is romaine. You want to cut off the tough part because that'll break if you turn it. We have our leaf here. A little bit of the vegetable mixture. We can add a little bit more crunch if we want. Some black pepper. And then what you want to just do is fold that in and just roll that up. And this is lunch. I'm going to bite into it.